Hey YouTubers, welcome back to Kid 60 Hotshot Adventures. It's getting going here in the Duramax. Letting it kind of run and get going. It's Friday. Just finished, didn't really have a whole lot of jobs going on at this point. It's going to be more of a maintenance weekend here for me. I'll attach some quick little slideshow of pictures here. So you can kind of see, I've had a couple jobs here. I moved some boats. I've moved one of my direct customers. He texted me last night. He had an urgent request for basically an overnight delivery, so made that happen. Helped out my local customer. He runs like a sales, marketing, food truck service. He doesn't own a truck, so I just kind of move his stuff back and forth across town for him on a semi-weekly basis. So it's kind of, for him, it's an expensive relationship, but whatever, you know. He makes money, I make money. It's life. Next thing's coming up for this weekend, since we got a nice cool down here in northern Ohio. I'm in an E-check county, so everything I own has a check engine light. Duramax, I got to put my finger stick install on it so I can get rid of the EGR code, because it doesn't have that special VIN letter where it's like, it won't, if it's like if it's a California truck, I guess in my case mine is, because I got a check engine light for EGR delete. Some LLYs, depending on the model year, you will not get a check engine light if you delete the EGR. I'm so lucky, right? So I'll get that installed. I got my car. It needs got a check engine light for low catalyst, because I put a Amazon special exhaust direct fit from manifold to tail, and it was like, you know, it was like $100. So the O2 sensors say it doesn't like the efficiency of the catalytic converter. So I'm gonna try a non-fouler, as they call them. It's just basically an extension for the O2 sensor. It moves it out of the direct flow of the exhaust. Hemi's in the same boat. It's got a check engine light for the same thing, for the catalytic converter, low efficiency. So I'm gonna do exactly the same thing. I'm gonna try and put a non-fouler on that for now, because I don't feel like trying to put a new catalytic converter on that right now. It's running perfectly fine. Got a couple other jobs on the board. I've been messaging some people. But it's just kind of a home weekend. Getting some work done. Trying to get in a paver, walkway. Trying to do some weeding in my vegetable garden. Just home stuff. Get off the road for a little bit. You know, I never actually clock out. You know, I never, you know, sit down and grab a beer, watch sports. You know, it's, you run 3 businesses, work full time. There's no downtime. There's always something to do. And if I don't have something to do, someone's calling me looking for help. So it's just life. That's how it is. I'm blessed to have the knowledge and experience to be able to help people out and help friends and family. And that's what we do. We are the good that happens to others. So you gotta stay strong and embrace that character. So I'm gonna leave it at that, and I'm gonna get on the road here, and I'll catch you on the next video.